Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites because missing items stop your application cold. Check age, residency, and prior certification rules, then scan your ID and transcripts so files are ready. Once done, create an account on the official QAT portal and enable two-step verification for security. Make sure your payment method is active and you know the card limits. This prevents last-minute declines. These initial steps clear the path to the registration form and save time later. You will now fill the registration form carefully. Type your name, birth date, and ID details exactly as shown on documents because discrepancies trigger verification. Next, select your test date and choose either a center or remote proctoring. Check time zones and seat capacity before committing. Upload required files in the accepted formats and complete payment. Once the transaction clears, save the confirmation number and email receipt. These detailed actions finalize your booking and start the verification timeline. You finish by verifying the admission ticket and reading the test day rules so you aren't turned away. Ensure your photo and ID match exactly. Prepare logistics. Follow a focused study plan, test your computer and internet for remote exams, and plan to arrive 30 to 60 minutes early for in-person sessions. If something goes wrong, missing ticket, payment error, or scheduling conflict, contact QAT support immediately with your confirmation number and include screenshots and timestamps to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.